Hi everyone, and welcome to the Critter and the Butterfly YouTube channel. I'm Matt, the Critter part of the duo. Well, it's August already. Where has the summer gone? We hope you are all healthy and happy and getting done the stuff you need to get done. In this video, we're going to talk about a couple things we've done to the Trailmanor recently. We've replaced the storage bay locks, and we had to do a little repair on one of our small window screens. So we go over how we did that, and we had to rewire our transfer switch now that we have our inverter in the system. So kick back, grab a cold drink, and check it out.
So when we bought our Trailmanor, our 2720, it came with the typical RV industry standard storage bay lock sets on it. Just a simple cylinder lock, nothing fancy. They were kind of rough when we bought it, but opened them up, lubed them up, cleaned them, and they seemed to be doing all right for a little while. But although this one I've been able to keep going, the other lock, it's not wanting to play ball at all. Take them apart, clean them, put it back together, but it's just is hard to unlock. And these are also the standard lock, so it's a CH751, and the CH751s are very common on RV storage bays. So I thought, what the heck, I need to replace the one lock, so I may as well replace both of them. And while I'm at it, I may as well replace them with a higher security alternative. So that is what we did. So what we ended up with were a different style of lock, a tubular key lock from Industrial Locks and Hardware. We went ahead and bought a pair of these to replace our old locks. Much more secure. No one with one of these CH751s is going to be able to get in it. Now, nothing is unpickable, but the casual person isn't going to be able to get in one of these. When you order them, they come, of course, with the whole lock setup, the seals, adapters if you want to use your own cams, and the nuts, stainless steel, and two keys in a few different colors you can choose. So that is what we ended up with. So the people at Industrial Locks and Hardware make it pretty easy to order your lock. All you've got to do is take your stock lock, match it up to the size of your lock, then match your cam up to whichever size it is. These are all to scale. Then you match up your offset. Write those numbers down here for reference. You go to the website, and the order page is the same way. You just click the drop downs, put in your choices, and order your locks. So these are the parts we're going to need for this install. All the lock parts and a couple simple tools. So here we are on the outside. We're going to go ahead and put the seal in. And slide the lock into the keyed opening. There we go. So depending on how you put the stop cam in will depend on how your lock works. We have ours set up so when it's unlocked, the key stays in. When it's locked, the key comes out. You have your choice of a number of different ways of doing it. Key can come out locked and unlocked. Key won't come out locked and unlocked. Or you can have the key does not come out when it's unlocked and comes out when it's locked, depending on where the
stop cams installed. So let's put the cam on it. The nut. Okay. Tighten it up. There we are. All right. Let's take a peek here. Nice. There we are. Lock installed. We are replacing the screen in the bathroom on our 2720 SL. It's a 2011. And I thought I'd shoot this to kind of let you know how we did it. I just wanted to give you a sense of what was involved. So we had to take down our top curtain rod and then get the valance out of the way. Then take off the inside part of the window. It's got 4 screws on the top and the bottom, and it's got 3 screws on the left and the right. It comes right out. Then you have access to your screen. So you can put your spline in, goes all the way around, then up the middle, and you can do it left, right, top, bottom, or if you'd rather top, bottom, left, right. Those corners are a little bit of a pain, but it's in. And when that's all done, you're happy with it. It's just reversing the process. Put the inside of your window frame back in. There we go. And put your screws in, 4 on the top, bottom, 3 on the left, right. Valance goes back in place, curtain comes back up, and you're ready to rock and roll. So there you go. That's what we've been up to today. Little touches on our 2720 SL. So as part of our power upgrade, we needed to rewire the transfer switch. So what we did, because we don't want to run the progressive dynamics charger while we're on the inverter, we wired it up with an extension, and it will now be powered when the shore power side of the transfer switch is activated. When the inverter side of the transfer switch is activated, it won't be powered. So that is the basic idea. So there it is. Looks pretty ugly, but it's done. Took a while of cable wrestling to get this accomplished. We've got our shore power and our progressive dynamics charger hooked into the top part. We've got our inverter hooked into the middle, and we've got our distribution panel coming out the bottom. When we're running off shore power or the generator, the progressive dynamics charger will operate. When we're running off the inverter, it will not. Now, to seal this thing up, get it back in there. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. We really appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down there below the video. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already, so you're notified when we upload something new. Thanks again for stopping by, and safe travels.